Hi children, today we are going to see the third lesson, the North Wind. What is that? The North Wind. The North Wind gives a boy a magic gifts that always seem to disappear. How does he recover his gifts? Read the story to find out. So, the North Wind gave some magic gifts to the boy. What are the gifts? We can see in the section 1. So see, one day the North Wind saw a boy carrying a bag of flour. Just as the boy turned into his street, what do you mean by turned into his street? Reached the lane near his house. Lane means planetary junction. So nearby the house, the junction is there. He reached there. That time what happened? The North Wind blew the bag out of his hand and swept it right away. So the North Wind blew. Because of that blow of a North Wind, what happened? He lost his bag. So that North Wind, cried the boy in anger. He followed the North Wind right to his house. You took away the only bag of flour we had, he told the North Wind. So after hearing that what the boy had said, the North Wind feel bad, and he asked that North Wind, what will my mother cook for our supper? Supper means evening meal. Supper means evening meal. I'm so hungry. So the North Wind felt rather ashamed and tried to make up for the mischief he had done. Rather ashamed. What do you mean by rather ashamed? Quite sorry for his action. Because of the wind, he lost his bag. For that, the North Wind felt ashamed. So he make up for the mischief. Mischief means trouble. The North Wind gave us trouble to the boy. For that, he want to do some favor for that boy. Here, take this tablecloth, he said. He means here the North Wind. Here, take this tablecloth, he said. If you spread it on the table, you shall have everything you wish to eat. For his hungriness, the North Wind gave a solution for him. So, he gave a tablecloth as a magic gift. All right, said the boy, and took the tablecloth and started for home. However, he had run very far chasing the North Wind. It soon got dark. I will stay the night at an inn. What do you mean by inn? In the first lesson, we have seen that inn means small hotel for travelers. He thought. Beans, bread and meat, ordered the boy as he spread out his tablecloth in his room at the inn. The food appeared magically on the tablecloth. The boy tucked in and then went to bed. Tucked in means here ate heartily. Heartily means a large amount of food he got and he went to bed. Now say section 2. The sly innkeeper had watched all of these through the keyhole. Sly means cunning. The cunning innkeeper saw everything by the keyhole. Late at night, he quietly stole the tablecloth while the boy slept soundly. Soundly means deeply. Slept deeply. The meaning is given here. You can see that. The next morning, the boy was hungry again, but there was no tablecloth and so no breakfast. The boy went right back to the North Wind and complained, "You are a cheat, North Wind. You have taken back your tablecloth." "No," said the North Wind. "That is not the way I work, but I will give you a ram this time." Ram means a male sheep. Ram means a male sheep. He said, each time you rub his wool, he will drop a piece of gold from his mouth. Look after him well. The boy ran back and found the ram at the door of the stable. behind the inn. So behind the inn he saw one ram. He caught the ram by the rope around its neck and led it slowly up the stairs of the inn to his room. By now, the boy was hungry because it was night again. So he patted the ram on its back. The ram lowered his head and a piece of gold dropped from its mouth. "Good old North Wind," said the boy. He paid the innkeeper with a piece of gold for his stay and supper. He slept soundly that night with a ram for his pillow. When the boy awoke in the morning, his head was upon the floor and the ram was gone. This time he got that ram by the words of North Wind. After that, he gave a piece of gold to the innkeeper for the supper and the stay. But in the morning again he lost the ram also. So he got worried. See the section 3 now. He blamed the North Wind again. Have taken back your ram. You have taken back your ram. The North Wind said nothing. He put a cool-looking stick into a bag and gave it to the boy. Cool-looking. What do you mean by cool-looking? See the meaning of cool-looking that is given in this yellow color box. Unusual or strange looking. Cool-looking means unusual or strange looking. So, kind of a strange looking stick he stick into a bag and gave it to the boy. He told him to go back and lock his door tightly at the night. So, that night the boy was woken up by screams. He opened his eyes to see the innkeeper running about in his room. The boy opened his eyes to see the innkeeper running about his room, being chased and beaten by the stick. So this time he identified who was the thief. So he chased him and beaten by the stick. "Help, help," the innkeeper cried. The boy quickly realized that the innkeeper had stolen his gifts. So earlier he lost his something he lost, that is tablecloth and the lamp. Both is lost by the missive action of his action of the innkeeper. "Give me back my ram," said the boy. "Get it? It is hidden in the barn." Barn meaning is given here, outdoor shed or building used to keep things or animals, that is called as barn. Said the innkeeper. "Give me back my tablecloth," said the boy. So both he lost because of this innkeeper. He asked that to that innkeeper, take it, it is in the kitchen," screamed the innkeeper. The boy went out and found his ram in the barn and the tablecloth in the kitchen. He came back to the room. "Stop, stick, stop now," he said. The stick stopped and jumped into the bag. The boy picked up the bag and the tablecloth. Then, leading the ram by the rope, he went back home. His mother was very glad to see him, and they lived happily ever after.